Paloma Nima-Mamobi has been reconstructed. If you can see clearly from the picture, some time ago, we came your way with many videos explaining to you, and we have shown you the evidence based on the video how this very place was. If you can see, look at the concrete, the gutter. You see the old side and then the new. Yes, this new side, that means has been repaired or reconstructed. Yes. The point here is look at the floor or the ground. Though it has been reconstructed, but look at the floor. I don't know what you can see, but I believe you can see a lot of things. Even when you get here, you can still see something. So this should, draw your attention or your mind back to the question I've asked. What can you see along the gutter on the floor? What can you see? And look at this bridge. Yes, during that time, this bridge also got damaged. But this time around, upon several videos, several talks, several advocacies, now the bridge, that is the footbridge, and the gutter has been fixed back. Okay. Now, just watch carefully. Watch carefully. Look at the ground. Just take a critical look. Take a critical look on the ground. Everything in the surroundings. In respect of the reconstruction of this whole gutter. Okay. So if I should, in a way, answer for you, because I've asked the question, look on the ground, look at this very place, the gutter, this side. Yes. Now, this place is not only a bridge or a gutter lying there. From the picture or the video, you can see that there are some few people passing by. Yes, number of times or before this gutter damaged, even vehicles or cars were passing here, including motorbikes, pedestrians, people pass here, school children, anyone. It's a regular route where people pass. What is the point I'm trying to make? This very place, this side of the gutter, look at how it is left untouched, uncovered. Now, water from the house or somewhere passes through that channel down to the gutter. Yes, the reason why I've asked a question, one, you could see a lot of rubbish or rubbish on the floor. That is one. You could see broken blocks on the floor. You could also see that the floor is left just like that without cementing it. Okay. All what I'm trying to say here is leaving all this like this, leaving the floor this way. What do you think will happen in just a near future or in just some few days or months to come? If I say some few years. I might be lying. Let me say some few months to come. Look at here. Now, even alongside of the gutter has become a refuse dump where people burn their refuse or their boilers. You can see clearly. Now, what do you think will happen if this place is not cemented? What do you think will happen? That means all this could be washed back into the gutter when rain falls or when there is any heavy downpour, precisely along this very gutter. Okay, look at this place too. It has also been left without filling. So automatically, when the rain falls again, it's going to cut this land back, making it a big holes or gully. Yes, I'm showing you this very drainage or this small gutter connecting to the big one because one, look at how they've left it. Is it the mindset of the contractor or whose mindset is this? Because if you are able to, or is it that materials were short that they cannot get materials to complete or finish this? Look at this. It is good. They have fixed it back. But should it be done once and for all, or it should be done anyhow? Should it be done anyhow so that in some few months to come, then they will be looking for money to do another gutter again? Because once a contract was given for this to be fixed, why don't they do it in a very good way as it's supposed to be, but rather it is done in a shoddy way? Because automatically when the rain falls, this is a common logic. The rain is going to cut back these portions of the land. And what happens to that story building? Yes, the story building around this place. This story building around this very place, along the gutter, because it's very, very, very close. And this very one, where the motor just passed, where the people are passing, is a story building. Because anything at all can happen because almost the whole place cut off.